going to understand variable because see, assigning variable is easy to understand function, right? So we we have no exist the table. Again, it would be easier to recall the function whenever you create the model, and afterwards that after some time, after 2 to 3 months back later on, you come and try to find out what how you have done in this model. So at that time, this variable would be help you that what calculation you have done to get the particular answer or particular condition. So let me go to the canvas. So let's understand what and why we are going to create the variable. See, now the condition is that how many bikes sold out the last year. So you need to find out that. So here we are going to use the variable. How you can use variable? Let's see. So category should be a bike and sold in last year. That is our condition. Only two conditions. So now I need to create a measure for this. Let me go to the measures and just I'm explain this. So how I can create the variable. See, you can see under the measure. Okay, so now I can put the multiple condition in measure. Along with that, we will be creating variables. So but before that, let me just write it in a way we are doing so far, then I will change it back to the variable part, so it will become easier to understand. So now our measure is that. So let me anyways, let me take you through the reality how we can create the variables. So forget about all these things. So our main motto is to calculate the sold out by bikes sold last year. Okay, equals to. Now just press the shift and press enter. So your formula bar becomes first line, second line, third line. So now we are going to press tab again. Let's type a var means it's a variable. Again press shift and enter. Okay, so again give one more tab, right on bikes. So we are assigning these bikes, and last year we are assigning the variable to it. We are putting some calculations under this, and then we will calculate it in the last part. So how it work, how variable works, you will get a clear idea over here. So bikes is equals to filter in a bracket. So bikes, where are the bikes? Under the categories, the product categories, right? So what we are looking for filter expression, we are looking for the category name, right? So which category name we are looking for? Bikes. So this is what we are defined. Again press shift and enter. Go back, write var, again press shift and enter, give one more tab, then last year is equals to, last year means same period last year, right? So once you type same period last year, SA, it gives you that, right? Under that we need a date, calendar date, right? This. Okay, again press the shift and enter, go back, type a return. So you may come across these functions later on, because see, if you google it down, and you may get confused that wow, how this particular person written down or wrote this much of function. So some people use the variables to write down their formulas or the calculations, so DAX. So that's why I intentionally covered this video and gives you idea how people can write down their that function, right? So once I calculate what we want to calculate, total order quantity, from that bike. So once you start returning, you can see the sign of X and bikes. So these are the variables. Again last year, right? make it complete, press enter, and ta-da. So see, our measure is created. So I just simply drag it. So no need to, you just clicked it on, it will refill. See, bike sold in last year 4336, right? So this is how you can use the variable and do your calculation. I hope you got the idea how to create a variable and how to assign the different values to it, how to use different condition over it, right?